Káàbọ̀, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, you will learn the common nouns in Yoruba language. We're going to focus on people. So what do you call a man in Yoruba language? Man is called ọkùnrin, ọkùnrin. What about a woman? A woman is called obìnrin, obìnrin. And a child is called ọmọdé. A child is called ọmọdé. An adult is àgbà or àgbàlagbà. Ọkọ means husband. And ìyàwó means wife. What is ẹ̀gbọ́n? Ẹ̀gbọ́n is an older sibling. And àbúrò is the younger sibling. Ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò. Yep. Bàbá is father. And ìyá or mama is mother. Bàbá àgbà is grandfather. And of course, ìyá àgbà is grandmother. So those are some words you can use to identify people in Yoruba language. Subscribe to the channel and come back for more lessons. Thank you.